Hey folks, you ever get a sensor that you have to change, but it's in such a bad area that you can't get to the plug? Like this one here has a locking tab. Okay, got to slide it in, slide it out. This one's also got a locking tab here. If you look on this one over here, this one has a regular push tab. Right, got to push down on this. Okay, sometimes you have to pull up on it. It all depends on what plug that we're talking about. But if you got a blind one that you can't see because it's flipped the other way, can't get a camera in there, you can't get anything to look at it to see what kind of clip you have, and you do not want to break the clip, that's going to be a problem. See, look at this camshaft sensor one over here. See it? It's got like a little red tab, so you got to slide that red tab over. But if you can't see it and it's blind in there, like I'm trying to change that coolant temperature sensor in there, I can't squeeze it, I don't know if it's a squeeze, I don't know if it's a pull, I don't know if there's a lock tab, you can't feel nothing. So I'm going to show you a trick. Took a nice screwdriver, you can get a chisel if you want. This is the coolant sensor I'm going to change. Okay, what I did was I took a screwdriver, put it as close to the sensor body itself right here, use a trusty little hammer and snap it off. Just snap off the head. Once you snap off the head, then you're able to pull it up out of the way like this, and now you get to see what kind of plug it is. So this one here is just a regular push plug, but it's not pushing at the edge over here like the other ones. Okay, you have to push it closer to the terminal. So this one here, you got to push this closer to the terminal to bend it, and then that piece comes out. Okay, once you unlock it, then it will come out. Hang on, try to mock it up here so you can see it. Try to get a holder. Alright, so I mocked it up over here for you. Alright, see, so blindly you wouldn't even see what kind of tab it is. But if you look closely, this is the tab that you have to push closer towards the end. So I would be pushing here, feeling for a tab, and you're going to be there all day, or you're going to break the connector and then you'll be screwed all together. So this one, yes, you got to squeeze it more towards the end. I guess maybe that's what the curve is there for your nails. I don't know. But once you get there, then you can pull it out. Just be careful because it will be sharp. And then that's it. Look at that. And you can put this back in there. What do you think? Okay. Like I said, the connector's only up to here anyway. So if you break it as close to the sensor as possible. And you'll be on your way. All right. That's it. That's my little tip for a sensor that's hard to get to. All right. So now we're just going to figure out a 19 millimeter socket to fit in there, because you can't get a wrench in there. And that's it. All right. So if you have a sensor that you can't get to, you can't see, just break the sensor. You're changing it anyway. All right. That's it. Ciao.